4,500 children die each day due to dehydration, from lack of water and diarrhea from dirty water, says UNICEF. This is a bit surprising number considering how much water we waste here at Lynn a day. I mean, think about it. On your day, how much water do you use? Do you leave the water running when you brush your teeth? Do you take hour-long showers? It all adds up. Today I am here to talk to you about why Lynn University should invest in sensor sprinkler systems and how the current ones are a waste of water, get people wet, and are unsafe, and are bad for the plants that it is trying to help. First of all, they are a big waste of water. They go on when it rains. So a day that it's been raining all day, the sprinklers will still go on and water the plants. This year, Lynn University has tried to conserve water in other ways. For example, getting rid of the trays at the cafeteria at lunch. Not using trays translates to 1,500 gallons of water we don't waste each day. Plus, we're using fewer cleaning products and chemicals, says Tom Huffman, Dean of Administration. And as an added benefit, people are taking and wasting less food. Even though Lynn has already tried to do their part by getting rid of trays, which is one less thing to wash, if they save 1,500 gallons a day by not washing trays, think of how much they would save by not having the sprinklers run on days that it already rained. Number 2, it's dangerous for the students. They make it so students can't walk on the sidewalks when they're going on because students don't want to get wet, which is understandable. Sometimes when I come back late at night, I have to go another way to get to my dorm. The other night when we were walking in the street to get to the dorms, a car came and didn't see us and almost hit us. It was crazy, said Ashley Casagrande, sophomore here at Lynn University. They make it dangerous for students walking in the road, and especially at night when people can't really see. Number 3, it's bad for the plants. Overwatering the plants can potentially kill the same way underwatering can. Too much water promotes a shallow root system, which causes grasses and plants to become vulnerable to the hot and dry weather, meaning that, in a result, it's bad for the plants. Overwatering them doesn't allow the roots to grow properly, and in result, it makes them more vulnerable to the elements around them. Here's my solution. In order to conserve water and help the school save money, I propose that Lynn University get sensors to detect when there is water or moisture rainfall in the ground. Sensors detect moisture/rainfall and automatically shut off when the trigger amount is met, said Mike Mooney, operations manager of the Woodland Joint Power Agencies. They are important because they save water, and in turn, the residents save money. This is a great example of how they work. They automatically shut off, meaning nobody has to remember to go out and shut them off, and they're automatically done. It just happens. These sprinklers detect moisture in the ground and gauge whether or not the grass needs to be watered. So when it rains, which it does a lot in South Florida, let's be honest, the sprinklers wouldn't go off, conserving water, preventing the plants from dying, being overwatered, and this not only is good for the plants, but it saves the university lots of money and water. My plan is to raise money and awareness of the problem, because I mean honestly, how many people think about the sprinklers going on at night? If you don't live on campus or if you don't see it, you don't think about it. Most people in the community don't even realize that they go on or that they stay on. I think that Lynn University could raise the money needed for the new sprinklers by fundraising and getting knowledge out to the Lynn community that they are trying to go green or go greener, and about the sprinklers and how the new system could be so beneficial. In conclusion, Lynn University has made a very strong effort this year to go green on campus. From replacing 8,000 light bulbs to LED and lower wattage, and installing sensors to control the hallway lights during the day and night, and sensing when nobody is there and turning the lights off. To changing the toilets in the residence halls to ones that use less water. I've seen all these things happen around me. But one thing that the university has overlooked is very simple, and it's the sprinkler systems. You could save thousands, not to mention save water. And it's switching to a sensory sprinkler that would help us. Thank you.